Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about information on the Sony CyberShot 16.2 megapixel. This is an older camera. Is it still worth it today? Well, you know what? I think it is. It's still a very viable camera. People still love this little camera. It's a fantastic little camera. It is the DSC WX80. It is, again, 16 megapixel digital camera with a 2.7 inch screen right here. And I just acquired this one the other day and playing with it, and actually is a really good camera. Fantastic. Still in high demand. The used market is huge. If you can pick one of these up at a decent price, you did really, really well. It's a fantastic, fantastic quality camera. It does so much, just so much stuff here. So I'm just going to give you just a quick look at it and give you my impressions. I've been playing with it a little bit. And it's just a really good camera. It has a standard battery, has an NP-BN battery, which is fairly inexpensive to buy. This one has the power adapter, but you can buy a separate charger, things like that. So just a cool little camera. So let me just give you a quick look at the camera itself, and here's some of the features. So here is some of the buttons here. So if you're not clear how it works, there's the stereo on-off button. There is the zoom and the flash button here. So wide and telephoto. Those are some of the settings. And on the back of it here, I want you to see here, this little door here doesn't stay closed. This one here has a little issue, little tabs I think broke off on it, but that's just good. It's an older camera. Now we have a intelligent widescreen, and I believe this is for external output. I was actually using it on my Elgato mixer and also my Stream Deck. I was able to broadcast out, no issues at all, super easy, so that was great. It's got a menu button right here. Let me just show you the menu button, delete button, playback button. Here's the rotary wheel that you can move around in the menu. So to turn it on, just press down the button, hold it down. You can see it automatically is on. So here is my hand, which is fantastic. Good, clean screen, very, very reliable camera. Here is the pops out, the zoom. You can see that. Let me just see if that does move. I wasn't sure, but yep, it does move out. You can see that. It does work really well. So I just did a cutaway here. I just want to show you some of the live photos. So these are actual photos from the actual camera itself. You can see the quality is really good, even with the contrast with the clouds and this is all intelligent mode. You can see the distance of the green and the sky. The reds in this plant are beautiful. They're popping beautiful. Even the close-up photography is fantastic. I mean, you can see the quality of this. Even this older camera can stand up to today's quality. Now, in a few seconds, I'll show you some live video that I did. You'll see they can also record video on this camera. There's a really extreme close-up. You can see how those really petals are popping out. Really interesting and different. And that's just another contrast shot. Let's take a quick shot of the video. Right now, I am recording in movie mode, I believe. There is a video of moving. You can just see. This is the plants I just took some photos of. You can see. Here's one here. Everything does work beautifully in this camera. You can do video and photos. There is the front of the camera. The CyberShot here, 16.2 megapixel, and this is 8 times optical zoom. Really just a really clean camera. It's got a flash right here. This is where you would charge it right here in the back, and it has a micro HDMI in the back right there as well. And also this is where you can mount it to a tripod. And to open up the door, to access the back door, you just slide the door open. There's a little switch here. Let me just see if you can see that clearly. Lock it open. There is where the battery goes, and the SD card goes in there as well. So really easily, and this one does have a lanyard on it. So it takes great photos, intelligent auto. You can see all the different things you can see here. You can zoom around. You can do a different flash on, flash off, advanced. You can there's so much to dive into this thing. It's absolutely insane how much there is to dive into this little camera. Just a nice little quality camera. So I just want to make a quick video to show you a little bit about that. I'm going to take a picture of. There was a little case I picked up for it. A little case. Let me take a picture of this case. And let's see, take a picture of the case. There's the picture of the case. And now just hit the playback button right here. And there is the photo of the case. That's right here. So you can see it does work really, really well. It's a great little camera. Again, easy to navigate the menus. You can delete that. Just go to this image. You get so many menu options. This thing is absolutely insane. I can make another video for like 20 minutes long just going over the menu options. So this is a fantastic camera. I'm definitely going to go ahead and recommend this for sure. If you're looking for a good entry point and shoot camera, if you're doing anything with, need photographs, or if you're doing anything with family, doing videos, this does not do 4K. It is 1080. But absolutely a fantastic, fantastic little camera. I'm definitely going to give this a buy in my book. Fantastic. So if you come across one of these, don't be afraid to pick one up online. They're super high quality with the Sony name behind it and all the technology. Thanks for watching. Leave me some comments down below if you have one of these and if you like it. Thanks for watching.